Sir, ask ko lang paano po ang process ng pagpapatax exempt. Mahigpit po yung tax exemption na yan. Dapat merong batas, existing law na nagsasabing exempted ka. For example, yung senior citizen, wala silang VAT for certain goods and services. Hindi po lahat. Dahil meron pong batas na nagsasabing exempted sila sa VAT ang mga senior citizen. Another example, yung freelancer, individual, taxpayer, sabi sa ating train law, tax reform for acceleration and inclusion law, non-taxable po ang first 250,000. Kaya wala pa pong income tax yung first 250,000 income ng isang freelancer dahil meron pong batas na nagsasabing exempted ang first 250k income. You are a freelancer at meron kang concern or question regarding freelancers BIR registration and freelancers tax compliance, comment mo lang yan at sasagutin ko yan.